guys, so today we are gonna make some duck curry our way. So we decided to show you guys how we're gonna make our duck curry. So let me show you. That's our duck. We soak it in a little bit of flour and salt, lime, and we're gonna wash it with vinegar just now. Here we have some curry powder, jeera, masala, garlic, and some duck and goat curry powder. So here Yasmin is chipping up some onions, and we already have our oil on the stove. Then we're gonna add our onions. So we're adding our onion there. And let that fry. And now we add a little water in here. Mix it up. She put the garlic in with the onion and fry it first. So we leave this to bunjay to fry up, whatever you call it. Now we're adding some green seasoning. You can also add the green seasoning all together. Some people put all the seasoning together and just make one mix. It doesn't matter. It still have to go in the same pot. So the green season is thyme, shallot, celery, pepper, garlic, onion, broadleaf thyme, fine leaf thyme. So Yasmin added a little water in here because it was too dry. So now we're gonna leave this to bubble up a little bit before we adding the duck. Now we are ready to put in our duck because now she's adding in her aji. And a cube. So we have to cover this and let the rank water dry out. Okay guys, so our duck is looking nice, but I have to dry down. This is the rank water still in it, so I have to dry down more. She's tired. Hi, mommy. Hi, Zero. She wants to sleep. Okay, so now it's dry down, so we're gonna add our hot water for it to boil now. Just gonna cover the duck in the water. It's good if you get a kettle with hot water, it's better. So we're gonna leave this here to boil. We're gonna cover it and let it cook. Okay guys, so that's our duck. It's finished cooking, looking so delicious. Good job, Yasmin.